In this extension, you will use Suggesting Mode to edit your resume. Suggesting Mode allows you to make changes to your document while keeping the original text. For example, maybe you want to try out 2 different ways to phrase a sentence. With Suggesting Mode, you can think about whether it's best to keep your changes or return to the original. To begin, open your resume document. Turn on Suggesting Mode. Make suggestions about any part of your resume, such as adding new information, changing existing information, or making changes to spelling, grammar, and punctuation. As you edit, make at least 3 suggestions for revision. You can also leave notes or reminders about your suggestions. Next, edit your resume again and review your suggestions. Accept the ones you like. Reject a suggestion if you change your mind or decide you want to word something differently. Or leave the suggestion and make a decision about it later. Using Suggesting Mode instead of making direct edits gives you more time to consider your changes and decide which option is best. You can also use Suggesting Mode to collaborate with others. For example, edit someone else's resume using Suggesting Mode, or ask a friend to make suggestions on your resume. Then, decide whether to accept their changes or keep your original version. Sharing your resume with someone else helps you see things you might otherwise miss and makes your resume stronger. Now, it's your turn. Turn on Suggesting Mode in your resume document and make at least 3 suggestions for changes.